Dear children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you the second lesson, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. It is actually an extract from Nelson Mandela's autobiography. Actually, in your textbook, it is in page number 16. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Actually, white people were dominating the black people as English people dominated Indians in India. Can you say which of the three countries actually um, named below had such a political system until very recently? United States of America, South Africa, and Australia. Okay, have you heard of Nelson Mandela? Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. That is, apartheid means is a system, political system introduced by Americans, white people, saying that white people are superior, as English people were doing here in India. Okay, and Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison, like Mahatma Gandhi. He used ahimsa as a weapon. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, and Mandela became the first black president of new nation. This is the introduction. In this extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion, that is inauguration. Can you guess what the occasion might be? Come on, let us see. Check your guess with the news item from BBC of 10th May 1994. In page number 17, the lesson starts. 10th May dawned bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged, means surrounded by dignitaries, important persons, and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects, love, before the inauguration. So the Africans got freedom and they are going to form a new government under the leadership of Nelson Mandela. Okay, the inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders of South African soil. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater. It is a open ground. It is given here, a building without a roof with many rows of seats rising and stuff. It is actually constructed typically in the ancient Greece and Rome architectural model. It is there in Union Building in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of the rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. On that lovely autumn day, I was here. I is Nelson Mandela, was accompanied by my daughter, means Nelson Mandela's daughter Janani. On the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first sworn in. He occupied the post in as a second deputy assistant president. Then what happened? Nelson Mandela. Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president. When it was my turn, that is Nelson Mandela pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said in the inauguration ceremony, after becoming president, Nelson Mandela spoke like this. It's a speech. Today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience, an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. Of course, Nelson Mandela and other leaders released black people. We who were outlaws, not so long ago, have today been given the rare privilege to be the host to the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge here ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Hereafter, there will be no discrimination on the basis of poverty or in the basis of gender or in the name of any other discrimination. Never, never, never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Let freedom reign. God bless Africa. These are the beautiful words of Nelson Mandela in the introductory speech. Okay, children, let us stop here. The first part of the lesson over. After this, you copy down other things given in PDF. Okay, already you copied summary, extract, question, answer. Okay, all the best.